case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1990 case, Michael v. Michael, the Missouri Court of Appeals took on an issue involving the fairness and consistency of court decisions on marital property division, maintenance, and attorney's fees. The case arose when a divorced couple, married in August 1972 and separated in April 1987, disagreed on the lower court's judgment on dividing their assets. The appellant, who had given up their career in journalism, argued that the court unfairly awarded the majority of the marital property to the respondent and ordered only $500 to be paid in attorney's fees. Throughout their marriage, both parties were well educated and enjoyed a steadily improving lifestyle with disposable income to purchase homes and take frequent trips. The appellant believed that the court should have considered guiding principles in dividing the property and providing maintenance support. In its final ruling, the Court of Appeals remanded the case for further proceedings in the lower court, urging it to reconsider its decision on the division of marital property and the award of maintenance, based on the principles of Section 452.330. However, the court upheld the $500 attorney's fees award as fair and consistent with the legal principles.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.